Watch it, you cunts!
Snowdow's having a party later!
It's all good!
What is this?
It's a thing. You said you wanted work. This is work.
Uh-huh. And who's the guy?
You'll see.
Yes?
Aye.
Oh.
We're looking for Mr. Madrazo.
Patricia, for fuck's sake, just let him in.
Right this way, gentlemen.
Patricia, get us something to drink, would you? Quickly! Hey, good to see you again, Michael.
Likewise. It's my friend Trevor.
Sit down. Sit. So, what did you tell him about me, about Martin Madrazo?
Martine's an old friend of mine, Trevor.
The truth.
Martine is a terrifying psychopath who tried to kill me.
Exactly. But some people, they no longer fear me as much as they used to. People who wear clothes to me. My cousin, you met him, Michael. Well, apparently, he's thinking about testifying against me.
So I have him killed.
I'm going to. By you.
Our debt was settled.
This is a favor. For a friend. But does friendship mean nothing these days?
Hello? What's the deal?
This is him. Javier. He's flying off to Liberty City this afternoon. And he's taking some files of mine.
You need anything, get me on the headset.
Mike, you there? I got some poor bastard's dirt bike.
Yeah, okay, well, I ain't at the observatory yet. Start heading that way.
By the way, I know why you took me there, to that guy's house. Understood.
Understood what? That he's a terrifying psycho and that you might have that in common? What is it? We gotta work for him.
We don't gotta work for anyone, but I read you, man, loud and clear.
What are you talking about?
All that Aztec stuff, those weird little artifacts.
What?
Little fertility statues, whatever. The guy has trouble getting it up. We'll clear 2-3 million on those, easy. Perverts will pay anything for hope.
We weren't casing the joint.
We didn't agree to a fee for this job, so what's it all about?
Okay, the guy lives well. That don't mean we're robbing him. But it does mean he's got money to pay people who help him. When the time comes, he'll do the right thing. If he don't, please, let me handle it.
You don't get a wife like that without being rich and an asshole, right?
The fuck? All right, I see the van with the gun in it. You nearby?
Not far out. Shoot the plane down, and I'll be ready.
T, if you could see this gun, it might convince you Martin Madrazo ain't someone to be messing with.
The fancier the gun, the bigger the pussy who owns it. Now take down the jet.
I got her. Southwest of the city. Gotta shoot in front to compensate for the speed of the jet. Give me a second. There it is, out past downtown. The jet's moving. Gotta take another shot. That didn't do it. Ah, shit! That'll go down next time. Ha, not good enough. Nope.
Engine's gone.
Hey, see it? Plane's coming down. Can you stay with it?
Plug into the air traffic control channel. Keep me updated.
Okie dokie! Woo! Gotta take this off-road if I'm staying with the plane! You think I can clear 2 lanes of traffic?
This is Flight November 9er Charlie Echo. Our engine number 2 is blown.
Roger, November 9 Charlie Echo. Fly heading
240, say your soul's on board. Flight November 9 Charlie Echo, say your soul's on board.
2 souls on board. Engine 2 totally lost. All hydraulics lost. All hydraulic systems are gone.
Roger, November 9 Charlie Echo, where are you putting her down?
We're not gonna make the runway. Gonna have to ditch the son of a bitch and hope for the...
Plug into the air traffic control channel. Keep me updated.
Okie dokie. There you go. There's a small jump coming up.
This is Flight November 9 Charlie Echo. Our engine number 2 is blown.
Roger, November 9 Charlie Echo, flying at 240, say your soul's on board.
The pilot's fighting it, but he's going down.
Good. Stay on it. We need the files. Flight November 9 Charlie Echo, say your soul's on board.
2 souls on board. Engine 2 totally lost. All hydraulics lost. All hydraulic systems are gone.
Roger, November 9 Charlie Echo, where are you putting her down?
We're not gonna make the runway. Gonna have to ditch the son of a bitch and hope for the best.
How you doing out there? Still got him?
I'm on him. He's past the airfield. Landing ain't gonna be pretty.
Where are you putting it down? Can you make the Alamo to the airfield?
Can't pull it round. Gonna have to put it down in a field somewhere. We have no hydraulic systems, no elevator control, very little aileron control. Serious doubts of making a landing strip. Need to ditch.
Roger, November 9 Charlie Echo, you lost your manual flight control systems? Pull your flaps.
Okay, this guy's going down any minute.
Good. Let's hope you don't take out some poor farmer while he's at it.
Only thing they farm out here is methamphetamine.
Ah, Trevor Phillips country.
God, I miss it out here. You gotta come visit sometime.
Yeah, you know what? I'm good.
Losing altitude rapidly. I'm going to have to bring it down in dirt. God help us.
Roger, November 9 Charlie Echo, what is your status?
God help us.
They're in the dirt.
Good. Get the files, and if the cousin made it, take him out.
Sure thing, but seriously, bro, coming all the way out here, we gotta get paid.
Just do the job. I'll get it. Just do the job. I'll get us paid down the road.
How'd it go?
Fine, just fine. I got the files. I'll take him to Madrazo and explain the human cost of this errand.
No, take it easy, man. Listen to me. We'll talk about that later. I want you to just drop off the files. I gotta get rid of this rifle, then we'll talk.
What?
There's been a change of plans. You don't need to come to the ranch. Meet me at Stoner Cement Works, a little up Sonora Road from there.
What are you doing, Trevor?
Nothing you wouldn't do.
Trevor! Trevor! Ah, I wouldn't do. Somehow I don't believe that. Where is he? The fuck has happened? Why did he have his car?
Piece of turd, huh? No wonder people are stabbing him in the back.
What happened?
Cheap bastard. You know, I really don't know why you mess around with people like that, Mikey. I mean, really, I
Trevor!
don't.
Answer a fucking question.
I asked for a fair day's pay after a fair day's work.
then he kind of got a little angry. So I admit, I kind of got a little angry.
Did you kill him?
What kind of fucking animal do you take me for? No, I didn't kill him.
Oh, fuck.
But I did kidnap his wife.
Oh, no! Oh, shit! What the fuck did you do?
Oh, I just told you what I just did. Now,
Oh, shit.
unfortunately, I think that we're gonna have to lay low for a little while we discuss things with Martin.
Oh, you think?
Why don't you hop in the back? All right, now, Patricia, she already called shotgun. Now, I know a nice little place we can hang out, it's a very relaxing little spot. A little getaway, if you will, a cabin in the woods. You know what I'm saying.
That's Trill, homie. Yo, get in, Chop. Another turd, Chop? Oh, I gotta school your ass. Take yourself home, boy. Hey, don't make me commit a 187, home. Shit! Hit! Hey, Molly. I'm outside the studio.
All right. Go over the wall and find the car on the lot.
And then what?
Only the principal actors and stunt people are authorized to go near it. So, you could get in wardrobe and play the part, or try something else.
All right.
When you're out of there and clear of studio security, call me.
Fruit salad has pineapple in it. I don't know how many times I have to tell you I'm allergic. Do you understand? Do you understand? Now listen to me. Just get the fuck out of here. I'm sick of looking at your face, Tina. La la la, pa pa.
You need to get on set.
Where the hell is Brandon? Jesus! Are you gonna find him? Someone's gotta find him! At least get him a mask, or makeup, or something.
Hey, get out of the car!
I haven't approved this guy! Get him out of the car!
Step out!
Oh my god! You hit him! Oh my god! This is an abduction! Pull over, creepo!
Get off the wheel. I need to get the fuck out of here.
They're coming! Studio security are all over you!
They ain't gonna be on us for long.
Is this an abduction? LSPD? If you have the car, bring it to Hayes Auto in South LS. Mr. Weston is marathon training, but he can change his route and meet you there.
Yeah, okay. Cause I got the car and it was messy.
That's fine with us, but your associate, Michael DeSanta, has done some work at the studio and he might not be so happy.
Yeah, whatever.
What kind of shape is the car in? Well, whatever. We plan on refitting the guns to take live ammunition. Do the traffic spike and ejector seat need replacing too?
Everything's still there, just like I found it.
Good. One more thing. Mr. Weston's security detail are concerned about a suspicious figure near the garage. Let us know if you see something.
There's a car right here.
You're developing quite the rep there, Slick. Insurance companies hate these kinds of claims. They don't like cats with the inside edge, shorten them either. So how'd it go?
Smooth enough, you know. Movie people.
You know what the irony is? I'm a major shareholder in that same studio, so what we just did is practically legal. Ha! Practically.
Ooh, shit! Look at this motherfucker. You doing it big, my nigga, on the set.
Lamar, what the fuck are you doing here? Oh, chirped your boy Trevor. It's fucked up when you gotta get your GPS location on your homeboys through a motherfucking speed freak.
True that. Devin Weston, master of the 2-hour female orgasm. What it is, Holmes?
Lamar Davies.
He was just leaving.
Hey, not on my account. You looking for gainful employment, homie?
Hell yeah, I'm always trying to get some motherfucking paper.
Just the type of guy I like to work with. Predictable. Hey, we could bring your boy here in on the last part of the shipment.
Oh, yeah, nigga, that's exactly what you could do. That's exactly
Hell
what you
yeah.
do right
Man,
there.
look, man.
Exactly.
If you want him in, then you get him to boost the rest of the shit you got.
Oh.
Give me my money and I can go on with my motherfucking life.
Oh, no, am I sensing tension here, Slick? He's the spirit, but you're the brains. Am I wrong? I can see it. Look, I need you on point when we move this stuff out of town.
Yeah, whatever, man. Call me when it's done. And after this, make sure we got our motherfucking check, all right?
Ciao, baby.
It is what it is.
Yeah, whatever. Anyway, come here. I'm gonna put you in touch with my legal counsel.
Hey, don't touch me, homie. I don't get down like that.
Yeah, let me tell you how the world works, Slim.
Look me in the eye.
Hey, Frankie, what's good?
Hey, my man, where you going?
This is the spot, right?
Oh, pardon me. Oh, Jesus!
Where you at, man? Your house is empty.
Oh, hey. I had to kind of lay low for a while. Yeah, that nice Mexican we met. Me and T did that job for him, and we fell out.
You gotta be joking.
I wish I was.
So where you at now?
Desert, out by Alamo Sea.
All right, well, I'll hit you if I find anything.
Absolutely. Oh, hey. Trevor's got his wife.
Trevor's got a wife.
No, the Mexican's wife.
What? Shit, I don't know what to say about that one.
Nothing. Nothing to say about that.
Run! Run! I'm back!
Coming, Trevor!
Bring me my coffee, I'm gonna cut your arm off.
Absolutely!
Who the hell's that, your maid?
Business partner. Good guy. Very loyal. Ron, that is Michael. And this is Patricia. Listen, beautiful. You know, I'm sorry about everything that's happened. And, I can't guarantee no harm's gonna come to you. I might have to chop you up into little pieces before spraying your pulp mess down the drain, but I really hope it doesn't come to that.
I appreciate your honesty. You are a good man. I can see that.
You need your eyes examined then.
Ron, you miss me?
Yeah, Trevor, a bit, I mean.
How's the fucking business?
I tried.
If you're gonna give me a sob story, I'm gonna rip your fucking throat out and shove a turd down the hole.
It's not a sob story. It's just not quite come good yet. But I heard about something to do with Merryweather.
Those assholes.
Big
again.
cache of weapons they got coming in. So I thought you might want to, requisition it.
Fantastic! Let's go!
I'm in.
Whoa, no, not you. Sit down. You're a wanted man. Stay low. And watch her, okay? She's a good lady. Let's go, Ron.
Good to meet you, Michael.
Fucking come on, let's go!
The weapons are coming in by air. We've got a plane over at the airstrip, but...
Great, let's go!
What are you going to do?
We're not gonna take out a private army on the ground, Ron. We gotta meet them in the air.
Okay. Well, I knew that you were pissed after the Merryweather heist. Giving back the hardware.
That was bullshit!
Right. So I've been monitoring chatter, tapping into Merryweather networks.
Feels good to be back in the company of a professional.
I gotta say, Now, I was expecting something a little more impressive. The late, great Michael Townley.
Not so late and not so great, right? And no longer called Townley. The years have not been terribly kind.
What's the end game, man? We had a good thing going without him.
If it's such a good thing, where's my money, huh? Where's my consultancy and my big fat dividend? I want a franchise network, Ron. I want reward cards, merchandise. I want to make gun violence and drug dependency accessible to every man and beast from Hove Beach to Vespucci. I want country clubs, and a depressed wife with blonde hair, and a hot little secretary. Crop duster? That's the best we can do? Call our guys south of the border. Tell them there's a fire sale.
I'll get you on the radio!
On my 12.
Got the weapons they're using to enslave us on board. If we could get a hold of them, oh my god. Are you planning on forcing them to land?
Didn't I say we had to take them in the air if we're to have any kind of shot at this? I thought I said that.
You did. It's just I don't see how you're going to...
You'll see.
Flying by the military base now. Avoid it, boss. Don't fly over.
Yeah, alrighty.
Descend, Trevor. This is meant to be a restricted airspace. You know the cargo plane's got 4 jets, a 200-foot wingspan.
Yeah, and I'm in a crop duster. This is something I'm acutely aware of. Enough.
So start monitoring you at that altitude. Got it drop, man. They're on their screens. You're on their radar, Trevor. Lose altitude. I dive right away. Yes, you've been red flagged. They're scrambling jets out of Zancudo.
Eagle 1, Fox 2, Eagle 2,
thought I'd say this, let alone think it, but it's good to be working together again.
I can't tell you what a pleasure it is to have you back. We're a good team.
Every team needs a leader, and a mindless follower or two.
You're too high. Drop down before they figure it ain't an aberration.
I'm in control of this.
Flying that high's gonna draw attention. You're reading your key. Descend some.
Altitude's just fine, Ron. You speak to Oscar, the Mexicans? This deal on?
I'll let them know it's in the works.
The works? I'm not risking life and limb for a Shimonade soul.
You got to descend, man. The military will be all over you.
You want me to put my nose into the dirt? Dick.
Keep low. Remember, don't want to give them reason to think you're suspect. Descend, Trevor. This is meant to be a restricted airspace. They'll start monitoring you at that altitude.
You got bad information, brother. I'm fine.
They're in Los Santos International Airspace now. You are clear to gain altitude.
Alrighty.
Come in, light aircraft. Identify yourself and state your intent. We are clear to engage.
You're firing rockets at a crop duster?
We are clear to engage.
You're actually firing rockets? Ramming me! Ah! Don't worry, I'll be back.
Oh my good God!
Lay down fire! These guys are on the... Sweet Get out of my... Now, who's gonna fly this thing? Merryweather cargo jet to ground control, please be advised of a change of destination. We are now landing in Mackenzie Field. Swapping radio channels. Over. Ron, you there? I got the jet. You with the buyers?
Welcoming party's here, Trevor. Fly safe now.
Who are these guys?
Attention, Merryweather Jet. We're under orders to escort you to base. Change course or we will engage.
Or you could diddle yourself. Ron, I've got the fucking Air Force on me. in the hole. Then we're all happy.
Takedown is authorized. Change bearing or we will engage.
I don't think you understand the effort I've gone to be here, pal.
This is your final warning. Divert now or be engaged.
Hey, you wouldn't shoot me down anyway. Think of the ground casualties.
We do not ask twice.
This is Captain T telling you to stroke it, pal.
Cargo jet is safely over the desert. We are weapons free. Copy that. Weapons free. Eagle 1, Fox 2. Eagle 2, Fox 2.
I'm hit! I'm hit! Plane's done, Ron! Ron, are you reading?
Oh, your engine's gone. Get out of here, T. You're more valuable than the guns.
I'm getting a shoot and I'm failing. Got one! I ain't going down with this ship!
Son of a bitch!
Trevor! Shit, are you okay? I saw the plane go down.
I survived, and Lizard Army didn't do so well, so that's something.
Ah, thank God. The fuselage went into the Alamo Sea. You might be able to salvage the hardware with dive gear or something.
Ah, good idea. But it'll take time. Tell Oscar he ain't getting these guns.
Okay, look, I gotta ask. Are you in with the federal government? An agent, Sanchez, was round here saying you and Michael had to meet his supervisors at the garage, the Cook site.
Fuck, I gotta do this, okay? But I'm using them, all right? They ain't using me. Let's make that clear.